With schools closed and remote learning in full swing, parents and families are looking for ways to entertain and engage their kids. Our favorite learning activity right now is reading. Luckily, there are some great online resources to support literacy and reading at home. Today, we're going to show you how to access one of our favorite online resources, Storyline Online. Start by going to storylineonline.net. Here you will find a huge library of stories narrated by celebrities. Browse through the titles and notice the runtime and suggested grade level. You can find a quick 5-minute story for a break from schoolwork, or you can choose a longer story to put on for snack or quiet time. Use the drop-down arrow to sort by author, reader, title, or runtime. As a first grade teacher, my students loved Please Please the Bees. Once you've chosen a title with your student, click on the title to go to the video. Many of the stories come with activity guides for parents. Click Activity Guides and choose the option for parents to bring you to a set of activities to do with your students. We hope that you find this useful and can enjoy some reading with your student.